Hey everyone! Today we'll understand CPU liquid coolers, also called AIO coolers, in just 2 minutes. AIO means all-in-one liquid cooler. It is a closed system that uses liquid to cool your CPU instead of air. When your CPU runs programs or games, it produces heat. A cold plate with thermal paste sits on the CPU and absorbs this heat. The liquid inside the cooler carries the heat away while a pump keeps it moving. The hot liquid moves to the radiator where fans blow air and remove the heat. The cooled liquid returns to the CPU and the cycle repeats continuously. Liquid coolers provide better cooling, quieter performance, and look amazing with RGB lights. But they are more expensive, need more space, and the pump can fail over time. And that's how a CPU liquid cooler works in just 2 minutes. Like and subscribe for more tech videos.